unusual definitions. A breathing, walking, skin-clothed dictionary, giving meaning to lives by imprinting smiles with the pages of the people's hearts, tearing tear-stained chapters of injustice, and injustice turning tragedies into happy endings.
We are the true heroes. We who credit the ways of our people in our bellies, whose hands are like a battlefield, fighting fiercely the enemy of penury. Well, we have united, publicly pledging allegiance to our tribe. Who can silence us? We have given up our right to remain silent, for no law court can use our hope against us.
For I am not angry, I am anger. I am not dangerous, I am danger. We are abominable stress, relentless. We are breath of vengeance. We are death sentence. We forsaken repentance to the beast and his henchmen. We are heroes, baby.
A hero is a rose that grows in the dark. He still loves even with holes in his heart. When his body is broken, his soul is intact. Nothing but gold on his crack. No goals, no foes, just flow with the past. No distress yourself. A hero now Superman when no need S for chest.
Ekele dike na nkomere omekwa ọzọ.
Ọnụ na-azọ mmiri na wakati na-ata ngene ka Igbo gbanahụrụ nkịta ọsọ. Ọkụ abụọ ka ibu ọgbara kụwasa osisi ka osisi ndị ọzọ elu osisi ka ọhịa.